Portage upgraded the Focus for the 2019 model year. The vehicle rides on another stage, is controlled by new motors, and has new tech and security highlights. Worldwide markets will get the Focus before it achieves North America in 2019. Hope to see the most recent form of the Sync infotainment framework with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 8.0-inch touchscreen show, an accessible head-up showcase, a remote charging cushion, and a Wi-Fi hotspot giving availability to up to 10 gadgets. Passage's Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver help well-being tech will advance into the new Focus alongside a completely mechanized self-stopping framework that controls increasing speed, braking, and equip choice. Albeit different markets will get various Focus models including a hatchback, car, and wagon, the US market will just get a somewhat raised hatchback called the Focus Active. We trust Ford Performance will bring back the ST and RS execution models one day. Portage hasn't yet affirmed the US spec 2019 Focus motor lineup, yet we hope to get Ford's 1.0-liter turbocharged EcoBoost I-3 and a discretionary 1.5-liter EcoBoost Turbo 4, yet not the 2.0-liter EcoBlue turbodiesel. A 6-speed programmed transmission will probably be standard and another 8-speed programmed will be accessible. The 2019 Ford Focus will offer the Co-Pilot 360 bundle of driver help well-being highlights that incorporates programmed crisis braking with person-on-foot recognition, vulnerable side observing with cross-traffic alert, a path-keeping framework, programmed high shafts, and a rear-view camera. We trust Ford will make the framework is standard on all trims. Guiding responsive headlights, a hesitant controlling help framework, and versatile journey control will be accessible. Portage says the 2019 Focus offers a bigger rearward sitting arrangement than the cordial model, and we anticipate investing some energy with the lifted hatchback face-to-face.